Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change your display name on Twitter or X. Please subscribe to the channel. Put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. First, you and I will need to go to the X app. Then in the upper left corner, click on our profile picture. Now we're going to click on Profile. Now we can see that we have our name here and also the username underneath it. How do we change it? Well, in order to change your name, you have to click on Edit Profile. Then as you can see here, we have the name section and then our name. We click on the line and we can change our name. We can also add some kind of emoji to it. We click on Save in the upper right-hand corner. As you can see, my name has been changed, but changing the main name has no effect on the username. It's still the same as it was. This is an easy way to change your display name in X or Twitter. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to write your comments, give us a like, subscribe to our channel. See you later.